In this video, I will show you how to add services on Square Appointments. So to do this, simply open up your Square Appointments account. Then you want to click on Appointments right here. That will open up this dashboard. Now from here, click on Library in the left menu and here click on Services. Now here you will see currently I only have the haircut service. Now if you want to add more, just click Create Service in the top right. And then from here you can actually create a new service. For example, cut men's hair. Then you can add an image or some kind of an icon to it. You can write a description for it. You can choose at which location this is available. You can set a price for it, so fixed or variable. You can also set a cancellation fee. You can set a different duration right here, a processing time, and you can block extra time after the appointment for stuff like cleanup or travel. So for example, if you need 5 minutes to clean up after the appointment, they can enter that right there. So then just enter all of these settings right here. You can also create variations from here and then click on save in the top right. And now you will see I have also created this appointment type and we have now added a service. So now you know how to add services in Square Appointments. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.